Movu Robotics is a daughter company of the Stowe Group, located in Lokeren. We are a rapid growing company. We grow from 25 people to almost 400 in 2 years. We supply dense storage solutions for our customers. Our customers are very diverse. We have cold storage, we have manufacturing industries, we have 3PLs, small companies, we have very large companies. Our customers are requiring reliable, scalable, and especially very safe systems which comply to all the applicable laws and standards for our machines. As Movu Robotics, we try all the time to improve our products, to improve our system, and we are searching for suppliers who have the same standards as we have to help us improving our products. Safety is, let's say, a way of living. Inside the fencing, we have all the machines which are running and which are creating very dangerous situations if people would get in contact with them. We had our own control box to manage the access control. It didn't really look very fancy. It also had point-to-point wiring. It took a lot of time to get it installed, get it running and connected to the rest of the system. We were looking for an, let's say, off-the-shelf solution that is easy to connect to the system and also easy to extend on multiple doors, easy to communicate one with another, speed up the production time, speed up the installation time, and that make it more efficient for us to build up a system. Today we use the MGB2 together with the CKS2, fulfilling all of our requirements. We have dedicated access control. We can make sure that nobody can restart the system before everybody is out. We can stop parts of the system as we need, and we can escape in case of emergency, and we can reach people inside also in case of emergency. According to our commissioning engineers, the installation is saving us up to 70% of the time. The cooperation with EUCHNER went very well. They immediately came over with experts from all over Europe to understand our needs. It took only 2 months that EUCHNER came to us with a first proposal, a first idea. We found a solution that really looks like what we had in mind.